On 20th January 2026, the Supreme Court of India heard arguments from the side of dogs and dog feeders, and the arguments from our side have now concluded. So the next date for the hearing is 28th January, when the state government, union territories, and civic authorities will present their arguments. But what unfolded inside the courtroom today needs to be talked about. Counsels appearing for animal welfare groups, dog feeders, and activists placed before the court scientific, humane, and constitutional arguments. They spoke about coexistence instead of conflict, explaining that street dogs are a reality of urban India and can only be managed through vaccination, sterilization, and community participation, not fear or violence. One important suggestion made today was education. That children should be taught how to live with animals, that coexistence and compassion should be a part of academic learning, not treated as a nuisance issue. A crucial clarification was also made regarding the death of the young girl on which the suo motu case was initiated. Counsels clearly informed the bench that the death was not caused by rabies, but due to serious negligence by hospitals, delayed treatment, lack of protocols, and system failure. They explained that rabies diagnosis is scientific and that brain tissue examination is the definitive method to confirm whether rabies caused a death. Another serious concern raised was about earlier remarks made by the court regarding the dog feeders. Remarks indicating that dog feeders could be penalized for every dog bite. Statements that have serious consequences on the ground. Senior advocate told the judges very clearly that these remarks are being used on the streets to harass, threaten, and even attack dog feeders. People are quoting the court to justify violence. However, despite multiple logical and evidence-based arguments, there was visible impatience from the bench. When a counsel tried to explain how rabies can be prevented and why scientific evolution matters, he was cut short abruptly. To many observers, the judges appeared tired, disinterested, and unwilling to engage deeply with crucial medical facts. At moments, the manner of response came across as rude and arbitrary, especially when counsels tried to clarify misconceptions. Judges are often seen as next to God, and that belief exists because common citizens expect something sacred from them: fairness, humility, and justice. People expect judges to remain unbiased, to listen carefully, to accept mistakes when they occur, and to protect the rights of all, including those who cannot speak.